Flammability, the ability of the substance to ignite easily and burn quickly at normal temperature. Combustibility, the ability of a substance to burn but usually at higher temperature than flammable materials. So take note that flammable materials easily catch a fire at low temperature. So for example, gasoline, alcohol, paint thinners, propane, acetone. Examples of combustible materials are, remember, can catch fire but require higher temperature to ignite. Example, wood, paper, charcoal, rubber tires, cloth or fabric, dry leaves. Take note that combustible materials are fire hazard but less dangerous than flammable materials because they don't ignite instantly. Proper care and safety are still needed. So, when you walk through the fire, you will not be burned, according to Isaiah 43, verse 2. Just as materials react differently to heat, some ignite easily while others burn only under intense heat. People also respond differently to trials and temptations. But remember God's promises, even when you walk through the fire, you will not be burned. Isaiah 43 2. God bless everyone.